Have a health condition impacted by the foods you eat? Listen up. Many conditions like creeping blood pressure, acid reflux, and gallbladder issues are impacted by how you eat. Unfortunately, not many healthcare providers have extensive training in how to counsel patients about food and nutrition, and how they relate to different ailments. This is where advocating for your own needs becomes your secret weapon. For example, if you suffer from acid reflux or GERD, ask for a referral to a registered dietitian to help identify possible underlying dietary causes versus solely relying on medication. Although some insurance policies will cover sessions with a dietitian, many do not or will not without a referral, so it's wise to understand your policy. Learn more about health and wellness on bigwhy.com. Until next time, be well.